Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy at 185, so I'm watching that number. Want to see it drop down to 185, and then for that white line to turn green. White means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. I'm doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. Well, I'm going to go to 175 now. Just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how these are working. 175. Just want to see. 175. Again, want to see this white line turn green. Nope, did not fill me. So let's go to 170 instead. So I can't remember if I mentioned or not, but if you have no idea what options are or you are intimidated by them, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a totally free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work. And I can't remember if I said this or not. And that's a problem. Not a problem, but that's the challenge. These are live. So I'm trying to analyze, think for myself, talk at the same time. So I don't remember if I had mentioned that or not. But yes, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that class. All right, I am at 165 now, so we'll see if this wants to come down a bit more. I will pause for now. All right, going to go for a put here at 175. No, let's rush. I need to see how this candle finishes first. So got to give this another 20 seconds or so, see how this candle actually closes, and then I'll be able to make a better decision. Right now I'm feeling good about it, but hopefully it doesn't just collapse here and then leave me in its dust, as that would be an argument to not let candles finish. But of course, there's other times when you can look at a situation and say, you know, I probably should have let that candle finish. Yep, okay, now I like 175. So let's see if it wants to go back up there or not. 175. I will pause. Okay, I'm at nope, I bet I can get 167. I'm at 167 here for a put. Need it to come up a bit more. I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, I'm going to move up to 177 now. Uh, 173 seems to be a bit more accurate. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 180. Did not get it. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 160. Not filling me. Try 157. If it wants to work its way up there, I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, I have an order at 155. Nope. Let's go to 150 instead. There we go, 150. In there at 153 and out for $350 in the blink of an eye. If you blinked, you missed it. But that was white for a brief moment, went green. And then that was white for a brief moment and then went green. And if you want to see just how fast the trade was, in that column shows the times. And that trade lasted all of 2 seconds right there. So 2 seconds, $350. I will take it. All right, let's see if I can find another trade here on it. If it wants to come down some more. I'm going to change strike prices. You're changing what? Again, comment below option guide, and that's one of the terms that is covered. So I'm going to go down to 150 here. And we'll see if we can get some more movement to the downside. Okay, so nice little quick start. 300 up 350. Let's see if I can get another trade. I will pause. I have an order at 147 here. Might have been too slow on getting that one in though. Yep, looks like I was. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 145. Oh, too slow on that one. Okay, I'll pause. I'm gonna try for a put here at 177. All right, that's not the right entry point. Do I try again here? $175 maybe now. Well, glad I canceled that order out as it's continuing to come back up. All right, I'll pause. All right, watching for a potential put here around the 175 mark. All right, stalling out here, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna try for a put here at 155. Got that. See what it wants to do here. Why can't I sell? That was bonkers. Did you see me click that sell button? There must be news or something out. Well, I mean, I made 530 on it. And I was in loss control mode. I was going for $100, but yeah, that was either a glitch or something happened, and it happened in my favor, which I'm not going to complain about. But again, you can scroll back. Now, sometimes the options will get a little wonky, but usually that's at some sort of news. But this was all occurring at 10:30, and they don't release news at weird numbers like that. Usually, it might be 10:30, it might be 10:45, but 10:33, no, that would not be the case. So yeah, you'll notice I had 156 and I was clicking sell and nothing would show up. Then it finally did let me out at 160, which was nice because that gave me a lot more than what I was going for. So now maybe that's just my cue to call it a day. Or do I try to take one more trade up here? This is some interesting action right here. 85. All right, I'll pause. Well, sometimes the clock helps you out. Looking at the clock, it is past an hour, 10:35, and I want to be done with my day. I want to move on. So in this situation, clock helping me out. And just for context, I don't know how new you are to the channel, but this is a side hustle for me. I have many streams of income. I encourage you to do the same thing if you were to ever join the Clay Trader community. So quick plug, go to claytrader.com/team. But if you're ever to join the community, you'll notice that it's a culture, it's an atmosphere where we all encourage, hey, build multiple streams of income. Trading is great, but it should only be one stream of income. You should have many other streams of income because when you do that, it gives you so much more flexibility. And I would argue allows you to obtain the ultimate wealth. And that is the freedom of the schedule, freedom of the calendar. When you can look at your calendar and schedule and be like, I don't feel like doing that. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to go and use my time for that. I think that's the ultimate wealth. Now, if you want to argue the ultimate wealth is a garage full of Lamborghinis, then okay, that's fine. And I fully admit that you would need to be making more than what I made right here. But for me, as a father of 6 kids that wants the freedom of time, if I can put in, let's just call it an hour. I realize it was technically an hour and 3 minutes, but if I can do an hour and walk away with $880, then I will definitely take it. So I'm very grateful for that. And also, just keep this in mind, because my brain works like this too. But sometimes we have the victim mentality of, oh, the market's out to get me, right? Oh, figures, the market got a little wonky, and of course I was on the wrong side of the trade. But think about it, that was not here. I was on the right side. Did that 530, was that part of the plan? It was not. So don't fall into the whole victim mentality of, well, those sorts of situations never work out for me. Are you sure? Or do you have some confirmation bias going on? Because it's very easy to forget about the times where it does, so you can sit there and complain about the times where it doesn't. So yes, there have been times where wonky things have happened, and yeah, it's hurt. It's not been pleasant. It's been very frustrating. But here, I'm actually feeling very good about it. So any way you want to look at it, because I was going for 350 on that one, but so even if you want to say I'm only up $700, but at the end of the day, I was just in the right place at the right time, had it work in my favor, and gave me a little bit more. But like I said, for me, I can only speak for myself. 1 hour, $880. That's certainly worth it for me, and I'm very grateful for it. So again, if you want to learn more about options, comment below option guide. I will send you that link. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted to when more of these live trade videos are sent out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.